This video covers the setup for the Ercolina family of top benders, including the SB48, TB60, HB60, and 030 variations. To begin, plug your machine into the correct power source, then switch on the main power switch. Ensure the E-stop is not pressed, then hit the reset button. Next, move to the side of the machine to install your vise assembly, followed by the center former, and then the dovetailed counterbend die. If you choose to use the foot pedal, set it up and plug it in now. Lightly spray your counterbend die, insert your tube, line up your start of bend. Then turn the hand wheel clockwise to advance the vise. You should be able to swing the vise out and snap it back into place. The jack screw is used to account for springback. After programming, step up to your machine and press bend on the foot pedal. Once the bend is finished, press return on the foot pedal. Your piece is now ready, featuring smooth, consistent bends.